Hello, today's topic is development economics. Development economics is the study of development process which every country has to face with the passage of time. We shall work out with the Rostow's stages of economic growth in which Walt Rostow has given the five stages of economic growth. First one is traditional society. Basically, it's an agrarian society in which development process is lacking or it is initially starting. Then afterwards, the second condition is preconditions to take off. This is the condition when industry and other sectors start developing. Third one is takeoff stage, in which development increases on with the passage of time, and all sectors are developed in proper manner, like agriculture, industry, or other type of service or tertiary sectors. They are also developed fully. Next topic or the next phase is the age of drive to maturity. Sorry, it's a drive to maturity, which means the economy is going on the development process in speedy manner. All sectors of the economy have fully developed and the economy is in an automatic mode. Last one is the age of high mass consumption, which deals with the excessive wealthy countries and they are having plenty of resources and greatest income resources as well. So these are the five stages of economic growth which are dealt with the roster. Thank you very much.